Hey guys, Miroslav from Nech Empire here, and in this video I will show you two of my favorite platforms made specially for print on demand and merch sellers. I'm talking about Vexels and Placeit, two identical online platforms with a variety of tools and designs you need to build a successful print on demand business. Both platforms come with a paid subscription, and it is not necessary to use both of them. Just choose the one that suits your needs and start creating awesome looking designs. The first website I have been using is called Vexels. I like the tools and graphics they provide, and which are helping me as non-designer to create outstanding artwork for my Redbubble shop. Vexels come with a huge library of graphics, illustrations, t-shirt designs, mockups, templates, and much more, not only for t-shirt business. But what I really like on Vexels is the wide range of custom designs that you won't find on other similar platforms. It is incredible how good looking these designs are, and many of them are also easily editable in a PSD format. Yes, that's true. Vexels offers thousands of t-shirt designs, editable t-shirts, and templates you can easily use for your print-on-demand shop. Another cool thing is that Vexels is adding new designs almost every day, and if you are using a paid plan, you can also request a design only for you. This will save you a lot of money when you consider that on places such as Fiverr or Upwork, you are paying around $20 per unique design. As a new designer, you need to upload hundreds of designs to your POD marketplace to get traffic to your shop, and tools like Vexels are great for this purpose. And when you upload your design, you get a full POD license, so you can upload it on different print-on-demand sites. Once you subscribe to Vexels, you get access to all the tools and designs you need to build a successful print-on-demand business. Vexels come with the free merch plans, where the basic one gets you 100 downloads per month, 2 design requests, full access to a library of tools, and a non-stop support. For me, the basic plan is all I need because I'm using another online platform pretty similar to Vexels. The second tool I'm currently using is Placeit. Placeit is an online tool that is offering designs ready to upload for print-on-demand sites, and not only that. The platform provides you with logos, templates, animated videos, and mockups. This is everything you need for selling on POD sites. On Placeit, you will find thousands of customizable designs divided into categories, and as with Vexels, they are adding new designs every single day. Placeit is a paid tool that comes with a simplified subscription. For only $15 per month, you get access to all the mockups, designs, logos, and video templates. There is no limit of downloads as on Vexels, and all the designs you are creating come with a full POD license and can be used on any print-on-demand sites such as Redbubble, Amazon, Spreadshirt, Etsy, or Zazzle. So, what is better, Vexels or Placeit? Both platforms are almost identical, but in my opinion, if you are a new seller, you should start with Placeit, which is cheaper, comes with unlimited downloads, and after you start getting few sales, moving on to Vexels, that is expensive, but has a better interface and more illustration to use. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Nech Empire YouTube channel.